everyone, it's really good to see you all. So in today's video, we are going to talk about very interesting thing, that is to create images from the text using Adobe Firefly. So let's explore what it can do for us. Okay, so here you can see that it has given so many different examples which can be useful for us in order to create that image. The quality is super awesome, right? Okay, so let's select one image and try to get how to write the prompt for it. Okay, so here you can see that they have written hot air balloon with full of flowers and butterflies around orange sky in background. Happy birthday basket. Now let's go and try to create our own image. So text to image. Here we have to write the prompt. So let's suppose we can now try to play with it. Firstly, let's write simple prompt Iron Man. I had given no specific instruction, just simple that I want Iron Man. Let's see what it creates. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's not very similar to the Marvel Iron Man, I guess. But yeah, it has created something which is built up with iron. Okay, so now let's define something more. Iron Man with blue suit and lying on the mountain, lying on the hilly area near fountain. Okay, so let's try to generate. So yeah, you can see that it has created a mountain, then a fountain, then in blue suit also, right? Let's try to add some more thing here in HD render quality. Yeah, so now we get something more precise and yeah, a kind of bit more quality, right? Okay, so let's take this image as an example and try to edit this prompt. An alpine landscape with a modern tiny house built on a high mountain cliff, in the foreground silk screen print, low contrast. Okay, so this is the overall description for this particular images. Now let's do some more contrast to it, adding some more prompt here with a sunset view. And a girl in the flower garden. Let's generate this. So it has done something like this. Now let's add with 3D render model, 3D render. So this is what it looks like and it is amazing. The more clear the instruction is, the more clear result you will get. So this can be a very cool thing in order to get whatever you wanted to create. Now let's use this. So I'm selecting this digital art one and now let's see what it does. Okay, let's do one thing. Now I'm going to erase all of this and just try to create a girl using this. Okay, if I try this, what will be going to happen? Okay, so it gets some effect. Let's use this. Get this prompt. Now what I want to do here is to try out all these different things that are there in order to get what are the different results we are getting using this. So firstly, selecting the digital art, you can see that how much clarity it has. The lightning and everything is so precise. Here you can see that the sunset is so precise. Okay, let's generate this digital art. Now it has some more features, more precision, more accuracy. Now let's use the other one, that is concept art. So here you can see that using these type of different art forms, you can reform your image and also make it more towards the reality. So yeah, here you have so many different options. Just try to tweak all of this in order to get your results. So yeah, this is an overall overview of how you can use Adobe Firefly text to image option or feature, which can be very helpful for you in order to create a very high level of image. Now what's the good point of using Adobe Firefly is that Let me check whether it also gave watermarks or not. Like the same in the Bing, you also got this Adobe Firefly beta here. So you can crop this and use it in that way only. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.